Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how you will download and how you will install and what are the features, what are the applications of this software. This is one kind of the book of the general medicines. So how you will use in your daily life. If you would like to have the information related to our general medicines, if you are a medical professional, then before the prescribing the any medicines, just refer. It will be really very beneficial and useful in your life before the prescribing of any kind of the allopathy medicine. So let's have how you will download these applications. Just you have to click below the description box of this video tutorial. Directly you will be able to download these applications, but it will be in a zip file, so definitely you will have to extract it with the help of the WinRAR applications. I have already given also that's a link how you will download WinRAR application. If you using the Windows 10, then no need to download WinRAR application. Directly extract this from the zip files and then go for installations. So just I will go for here, run as an administrator, then go for yes, then you have to go for next. Yes, I accept the agreement here, then go for next. Here you have to deselect the create quick launch icon. And one thing remind that while you installing these applications, your PC or laptop should be offline. It shouldn't be connected with any kind of of course internet connection. So now go for finish, then here you have to click here if you would like to use the permanently, then go for in file in operation. Just you have to go in here, open in file locations, then here see if any kind of here auto updated file is remain, then you have to delete off that, but here is not now. So now I will go for open. Here see you are using demo versions, so it's a more than it's a more than 6 months for trial. So definitely it's a one kind of book I can say that related to a general medicine. So go for, then after 6 months if you would like to purchase these applications, then no problem, go ahead. If you would like to use the permanently in your daily life these applications, then just leave the comment below the comment box. I will give you key. So here for trial period of the 6 month, I will go for here continue, then now see it's your introduction part. Here this is your anti-acidity, this is your anti-allergic, of course anti-diabetic. So here see antibiotic, blood pressure and the cholesterol, how you will the control of that, and bodybuilding, dental whitening. So all kind of course diseases that is coming in the daily life, to the doctors, how you will treat and what kind of the treatment plan you will prescribe. So everything has been given in the one. That is none other, of course, Dexav drug reference. So now see what I will do. For example here see I would like to have some information about the antibiotic. So I will click here antibiotic, then choose any antibiotic, that what are the application and how. So here see for example here let's see tetracycline. So cefixime let's have. This is very popular cefixime medicines for various kind of the infection, of course we prescribe these medicines, for example of the cefixime, of course in the typhoid fever and any bacterial infection to be used. So here see now cefixime drugs names, this is antibiotic no doubt. Now cefixime is used to treat many different type of the infection caused by the bacteria especially. So cefixime may be used for other purpose not listed in this medication, but here now see how we will take the dose and see drugs and the class mechanism, miss the dose, yeah, storage, how you will store, yeah. If you would like to the persist, yeah, what are the possible side effect has been. So these all kind of the information has been given the related to this medicine. For example, Zybox, let's have see Zybox. This is medicine as we know, linezolid. For example, this is antibiotic as we know that this medicine is of course yes oxazole non yes antibiotic that is experimented to treat the certain serious bacterial infections. For example, how it's taken and yes related to that has been given also here, miss the dose, yeah, storage and warning and the precaution, side effect, everything has been given here. For example, let's see the another medicine here, ciprofloxacin, let's have. So see, this is a cipro, of course. So ciprofloxacin, as we know that it's a very popular for various kind of the skin, lung, yeah, airways, yeah, the bone of course, and the joint, whatever is the caused by the susceptible the bacteria. So ciprofloxacin, as we know, this is experimented, yeah, used to the treat the various kind of the especially yes infection, especially bacterial infection. Ciprofloxacin here, see, this is also used, the frequently used to the treat the urinary tract infection, yeah, urinary infection of course, and caused by the bacteria E. coli. So yes, various kind of see, especially E. coli, yes, Campylobacter, so Shigella, Salmonella, all kind of the bacteria. Of course, in the bacterial infection, the mostly be the prescribed, and also for any kind of the wound infection, also especially be the prescribed this medicine. So, what are the application? What is the uses? How it's taken and drug? The classes, the mechanism, miss the dose, if I the how I will. And also see storage in what temperature we have to store this medicine. Warning and the precaution also has been given here, and possible side effect also we have to know. If you would like to the more information, then go for upgrade option, this one. So but this is of course enough to have this information related to the any kind of the medicine, that why we are the prescribing, the what can be just for revision, of course, in abbreviately, in the briefly, in the short time. This is very useful for medical practitioner as far, of course, in the daily life also. Yes, a person who is educated who can use. So see here, for example, of the yes blood pressure and the cholesterol control levels, what kind of the medicine we will the prescribe here. So now see, there are various kind of the medicine has been. So for example here, see Jocor, this is a good medicine, of course, for high blood cholesterol is a first treated by that. So actually all kind of the as we know information related to that has been given here. So this is here, see general health, yeah, gums, yeah, yes, healthy bone, how we will show here. See vitamin A and D, yeah, suppose especially Evista, what are the especially for example, let's have some Evista. So this is, as we know, Evista is used to the prevent and treat, of course, bone losses, osteoporosis, of course, we can say that the women, yes, in the women after, as we know, menopause. So as we know, all kind of the, as we know how taken. So I have already mentioned to you, just use it for your yes acknowledgement in your daily life. Yeah, if you would like to have the medicine yourself, especially by yes having the acknowledgement from this year, especially through internet. So it's really useful for time management and also of course for revision. So this is all about in this video tutorial. And the one thing also I would like to hear, yes, print option has been given also in the, if you go in the option, then yes everything has been given here. See, if you would like to hide, that is also given. If you directly, yes, if you would like to have the medicine directly online, then you can purchase it from here. So Just in abbreviately, I would like to know your the feedbacks and how do you like this video and is it useful or not. Just leave the comment below the comment box. How do you like? So because your feedback, yes, will inspire me to make more and more video or not on my channel. So thank you guys. Have a great times.